Okay, it's always good to test fit the trim. Okay, it's always good to test fit the trim. I kind of put the trim together, held it with some tape so the sharp edges wouldn't come loose. And then what we did was we laid the trim up in to see where it's going to set. And this particular corner trim sits on the outside of the other trim, so this will hold the other trim down. So we want to make sure that we are able to clip to these two clips. Make sure your clips are in the right spot before you put the glass in. So right now, these two clips appear to be in the right spot. So when we do go to put the trim on, they should snap down and hold these two pieces of trim down securely. We're going to go through and do the same thing with the rest of them to make sure that all of these corners are in the right spots. Okay, we're not quite sure of the sequence of this, but what we did was we pre-assembled our stainless steel. I think I'm going to start kind of trying to push it in from the long section. And it clips in. Then we'll work our way down to the corner. I do have stuff kind of taped together at the moment. Okay, hopeful that we're getting under these clips. I kind of want to get this to be extended. And would you believe it? The stainless steel trim is on. It is secured all the way around. There we go. That one snapped in. And now we can pull our tape off very carefully. That trim installation was actually much easier than I had anticipated. I anticipated much more problem. We'll leave this other section on because I got another whole window to do. But this is reproduction aftermarket trim, and I am totally surprised at how well it fits. This is awesome. So this concludes our video of installing a 63 split window rear window and the 63 split window rear trim. It went flawlessly. It took a lot of pre-planning, pre-assembling the trim, making sure that your clips are in the absolute right spot. Otherwise, you're going to run into a huge issue if they don't snap into the right spot. I am hopeful that I don't have to take this back window back out. It still does have enough room under here. If you want to go ahead and drop a little sealer in here, you can. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Come back often. And we can't wait to get this car on the road.